Here is our today's first question. Suppose a function is from 0 pi to r satisfied f of x plus f of pi minus x equals 0 for all x, then integral 0 to pi f of x sin x dx is. So here we are asked to find out the value of integral 0 to pi f of x sin x dx. So the quantities which are provided in the question are this limit and as well as this function. Let's write this the quantity which we need to find here, which is integral 0 to pi f of x sin x dx. So this is in the form integral a to b f of x dx, which can be written as equal to a to b, integral a to b f of a plus b minus x dx. Thus we'll get integral 0 to pi f of a, here a value is 0 and b value is pi. So a plus b, 0 plus pi gives pi only. So pi minus x, here the remaining is sin x, write it likewise, sin x and then dx. Here we can replace the f of pi minus x with 1 minus f of x, which is taken from this equation. Here when we take this f of x to the right side, we get the value of f of pi minus x. So on substituting the value, we get integral 0 to pi 1 minus f of x sin x dx. Now multiply this sin x inside the bracket. Thus we get integral 0 to pi sin x dx plus integral 0 to pi, here it is minus sign, so integral 0 to pi f of x sin x dx. Now let's take this term to the left side. Thus on adding this term with this term, we get 2 integral 0 to pi f of x sin x dx, which is equal to integral 0 to pi sin x dx. So which implies 2 into integral 0 to pi f of x sin x dx will be equal to minus of cos x, giving the limit that is 0 to pi. Here the integral of sin x is minus cos x. Now giving the value 0 and pi, we get minus of cos pi is minus 1 minus cos 0 is 1. So solving it, we get the answer as 2. Now let's take this 2 value to the right side. Thus we get the value of integral 0 to pi f of x sin x dx equal to 1. So the correct option is option D.
If you like this video, do subscribe and click the bell button.